Hello teacher, today I'm going to talk about the company I would like to work for after graduation. After graduation, I would like work for Vietnam Group because it is one of the biggest technology and telecommunications companies in Vietnam. The company specializes in telecommunications technology, eco-survey, and software development. I think it is a professional working environment with many opportunity for young people. I would like to work in the marketing department because I enjoy creating content and communicating with customers. In the future, I want to work as a marketing executive. This position will help me improve my creativity and communication skills. To do the job well, I need good communication skills, teamwork skills, creativity, and confidence. I will try my best to study hard and gain more experience so I can work for this company in the future. That's all about the company I would like to work for. Thank you for listening.